harsh, 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 harsh.
가혹한 거친.
The weather was harsh during the winter. The weather was harsh during the winter. He spoke in a harsh tone. He spoke in a harsh tone. Faint, 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 faint.
희미한 기절하다.
She felt faint from the heat. She felt faint from the heat. I could hear a faint sound in the distance. I could hear a faint sound in the distance. Discharge, 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 discharge.
방출하다 퇴원시키다.
The hospital will discharge the patient tomorrow. The hospital will discharge the patient tomorrow. The factory discharges waste into the river. The factory discharges waste into the river. Innocent, 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 innocent.
무죄의 순수한.
He claimed he was innocent of the crime. He claimed he was innocent of the crime. The child gave me an innocent smile. The child gave me an innocent smile. Intoxicated, 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 intoxicated.
술이나 약에 취한.
The driver was intoxicated at the time of the accident. The driver was intoxicated at the time of the accident. He became intoxicated after a few drinks. He became intoxicated after a few drinks. Mischief, 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 mischief.
장난 말썽.
The children were full of mischief. The children were full of mischief. He got in trouble for causing mischief. He got in trouble for causing mischief. Creepy, 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 creepy.
오싹한 섬뜩한.
That house looks creepy at night. That house looks creepy at night. He gave me a creepy smile. He gave me a creepy smile. Poach. 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 Poach.
밀렵하다 훔쳐오다.
The hunter was arrested for poaching deer. The hunter was arrested for poaching deer. The company tried to poach her from another firm. The company tried to poach her from another firm. Commence. 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 Commence.
시작하다.
The ceremony will commence at noon. The ceremony will commence at noon. They commenced the project last year. They commenced the project last year. Machete. 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 Machete.
마체테 큰 칼.
He used a machete to cut through the jungle. He used a machete to cut through the jungle. The farmer carried a machete. The farmer carried a machete. Altercation. 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 Altercation.
말다툼 충돌.
A small altercation turned into a big fight. A small altercation turned into a big fight. They were involved in an altercation outside the bar. They were involved in an altercation outside the bar. Dispute. 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 Dispute.
분쟁 다툼.
The two countries are in a trade dispute. The two countries are in a trade dispute. They had a dispute over money. They had a dispute over money.